Hello friends and lovers. Nahuman na namugkat ang itapak sa nalata nga wood. Here's the deck. So, gigamit na ko pagkat ani kaning wood saw. Combination mas ko rin sa rip saw o crosscut saw. But for the joints, like here, kung gigamit dinhi kaning hacksaw, metal saw para for precision. So, ano ni siya, thanks to my helper Johnson. So he's going to watch and learn. So tanawa on sa ka-position guys ang gikat sa hacksaw. Gamitan na ko aning cross cut saw murag dili kayo precise. Okay. So mao na siya ang wood joints nga mong gihimo ni Johnson a while ago. Okay, so mas mayo siya fitting. So close ka siya fitting. Yeah. How does it look like, Jan? Okay. Then, ang sunod namong buhaton ani, tintalan ni namo og kuan kaning wood prep kani siya. All in one wood prep. Sprayhan ni siya pero amo lang gamitag brush para makuha iyang stain before siya tintalan og parehang color ani. And then to join this wood joints para mas mo stable siya, amo ni butangag metal screw amo gamiton just like the rest. Kami gapigabot aning Johnson last time, o Johnson and JB and with my wife the first time we moved here. Ito ka years ago?
5 years ago.
5 years ago. So kani mo ni mo pang lock ani. Lock sa balik. Okay, so ato na siyang this is how to do it, Jans. Before putting the screw, iisa sa nang gabas. This raise it up. Okay, look, Jans. We try to find the center here. And then we'll use this you can use this one. This Esquala L square, or you can also use this one. This is adjustable. Okay, so nani pag mark dyan. Okay, like this. So we'll mark a line. Center siya sa one. Then we'll put an X. We'll put an X where to put the wood screw to lock it. Okay, din isa tangan sa nato marker. So most likely here. Then here mga duha ka wood screw. Kadak ang kuan ni haligi. At now just nahagbong ang cover sa imong saw dyan. Wait. Give that to me. Then get the cover of the saw kay masamad ta ni. Money din niya ang kuan guys, friends and lovers, kalainan sa gabas diri sa Amerika naagid siya kuan pakapin nga tabon sa iyang blade nila dyan tanan diri dyan. Just watch and learn dyan og giunsa na ko paglinya dyan sa ang kuan ining marker para sa where we put the wood screw. So you use this edge here to get a perfect square like that. Maybe we'll put 4 here. This is a big plank of, a big stud of wood. X. Ilan na 2 minutes?
4 minutes and 30.
Okay, sige, abot na sa 5. Ngari Jans. Okay, Jans. Why don't you go around here, Jans, and I will let you try. Or could you reach it here? Like you could slide this L square like that. Okay, slide it until it gets here. No. You have to make this portion flat. So it's going to make a perfect square, because if it's tilted like that, it's not going to be a perfect square. Don't push it too hard, just slide it. This should be flat along the side of the wood. Go forward. Okay. Backward. Okay. That's it. Then we draw a line.
5 minutes,
Okay.
10
Then one more here.
seconds.